Hello and once again welcome to everyone. So in this video we will do the discussion of the question number 3 and in the question number 3 it is given that you have to prove that your left side it is same as our right side. So for which as it is seen that clearly right side in comparison to the right side, left side is providing a better field to do the calculation. Here it is much more things are there such that we can do the calculation, but here it is only the less things are there for which it will be not easier task for us to proceed it from the right side. So for which left side many more the things are given. Here it is just like our rational format, here it is the addition just like this. So for which we have to start the calculation from our LHS side. And always our first trick is always you have to search, is there any trigonometric identity form, is it hidden in the left side or not? Clearly seen nothing it is hidden. Clearly it is seen that nothing it is hidden in the left hand side. So for which we have to start the left hand side just like this. First we have to write the left hand side tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. As no trigonometric identity, otherwise its alternative forms are hidden in the left side. So for which without thinking for the first step we have to think for the next step, and our second step it will be our, you just have to simplify whenever you are getting the trigonometric ratio other than sine and cos you are getting, all the ratio it must be converted it into sine and cos. So for which I am converting, see carefully, I am converting just like this. Where you are getting the tan, in place of a tan I am writing it as the sine theta divided by our cos theta, and below 1 it is our 1 minus cot theta, it means 1 minus cot means cos theta divided by our sin theta. Just like the first term it is simplified, in the same way we have to simplify the second term. Cot theta means cos theta divided by sin theta. Upper one simplified, upper one means cot it is simplified, then after the below one it is 1 minus tan theta means sin theta divided by our cos theta. Ready? Our next one it is just like our number calculation we used to do. In the similar way we have to do the calculation of this one. It is also this term we have to simplify, this one it is also we have to proceed in calculation. So for which this one it is our, see, sin theta divided by cos theta. Here I am writing, clearly see, here it is the 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here I am taking the LCM, it is our sin theta, upper one it becomes sin theta minus cos theta. Understood perfectly? Ready? I am using the brackets such that you can easily understand. Upper one it is one rational form, the below one it is also another rational form. And here also in the similar way, right side also I am writing cos theta divided by sin theta divided by, here the below one I am simplifying by taking the LCM, it is our cos theta, and here it is cos theta minus sin theta. Giving the bracket, here giving the bracket such that you can understand well. Here here one of the rational just like another rational number for another rational number you are dividing, it is also same as dividing one rational number with another rational number. It is also same as multiplying the rational number, this rational number, into multiplying rational number with the reciprocal of the below one. So for which I am writing sin theta divided by cos theta into its reciprocal means sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Ready? And the right side one it is also I have to arrange in the similar way, that upper one it is our cos theta below 1 it is our sin theta into, here it is cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta, giving the bracket, giving the bracket, giving the bracket, giving the bracket. See, whenever any of the rational number you are multiplying with the another rational number, numerator multiplied, denominator it is to be multiplied. So for which sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, giving the bracket, see, sin theta into sin theta, which becomes our sin square theta, and below 1 it is cos theta into this much, it will be our cos theta whole into sin theta minus cos theta, and right side 1 it is also plus cos theta into cos theta, it becomes our cos square theta divided by sin theta whole into cos theta minus sin theta. See clearly, one thing I want to show, here it is sin theta minus cos theta, and here it is cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta, here it is cos theta minus sin theta. Suppose here it is 5, it is one factor, here it is minus 5, it is at here. So it means whenever I will take minus it as the common, within the bracket 5 it is there. In the same way, another example also I am giving, see carefully. Suppose here it is a minus b it is here, and here it is b minus a it is here. But I want to make it in the form of a minus b. It means from this I have to take minus it as the common. On taking minus it as the common, see here it is minus a, so here it is within the bracket it is our plus a. Whenever minus enter, it is our minus a. So it becomes our a minus b. So it means to make the b minus a in the form of a minus b, for which I have to take one of the minus it is common. One of the minus it is common. So for which to arrange the cos theta minus sin theta in the form of the sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So for which from this I have to take one of the minus it is common. So for which directly I am writing, see carefully, here I am writing see, for which here I am writing directly sin square theta divided by below 1 it is our cos theta whole into sin theta minus cos theta, and here it is whenever I will take minus it is the outside, minus it is the common, it means total term it becomes our minus, and this one becomes sin theta minus cos theta. So for which I am writing just like this, cos square theta divided by, here it is sin theta, here it is changed it as our sin theta minus cos theta. Ready? So this one it is our sin theta minus cos theta. On changing the cos theta minus sin theta in the form of minus sin theta minus cos theta, actually this minus it makes the total term, it becomes minus. So for which in the next step this plus sign I change it is at here by giving the minus sign, and only this order it will be changed, a minus b it becomes b minus a. Then after see, in the next step everyone see, I am taking the LCM, of the two term. On taking the LCM, see here this one both are same. So for which I am writing it as the sin theta minus cos theta. But the different factors are cos theta and sin theta. So for which here I am writing cos theta into sin theta. Okay, and whenever this one it is to be divided by the denominator of our first term, sin theta minus cos theta, it will be divided, and here it will be only left it is our sin theta. So sin square theta into sin theta, which gives us sin q theta, sin to the power 3 theta, and here it will be our cos to the power 3 theta. See, one thing it is clear. So it means it is clearly seen that this one and this one means upper one it is in the form of AQ minus BQ. Remember AQ minus BQ formula. Remember the AQ minus BQ formula. AQ minus BQ formula. It is our A minus B. It is our A minus B whole into A square plus B square plus AB. So as this one it is the formula of the AQ minus BQ. So for which here I am arranging it directly. A minus B it means sin theta minus cos theta. A minus B it is already arranged. Then after A square means sin square theta, and B square means our cos square theta. Then after plus AB means A means sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta whole into cos theta into sin theta. See, here it is sin theta minus cos theta, it is one factor in the denominator, and here it is sin theta minus cos theta, it is also another factor in the numerator side. So for which upper one it becomes, see, here it is in the one factor sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, which gives us result it is 1. This term, this factor, it is totally cancelled. This factor totally cancelled. So for which here it is in this factor sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta, otherwise sin theta into cos theta. So for which here it is one term, here it is another term, means two terms divided by sin theta into cos theta, it means 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta cancel, cos theta it is cancelled. See, here we can do the arrangement just like this. Actually it means 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. 1 by cos theta into sin theta, it means 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. Once again, if you will multiply, it becomes 1 into 1, it will be 1. And cos theta into sin theta, which gives us cos theta into sin theta, it will be as usual. And right side 1, it is our 1. See, 1 by cos theta, it means it is our sec theta, it is our cosec theta plus 1. Right side it also acts the same, otherwise in perfect order I am writing 1 first, then after it is our sec theta, and then after it is our cosec theta, which means we started from the left hand side but finally we have reached at our right hand side. So for which this question we have already proved. Understood? Suppose one will say that if we will start it from the right side, can we reach the left side? No. The problem it is many more things we have to do. Actually, right side, the field it is not sufficient. The field it is not sufficient to do the calculation such that easily we can reach at here. So it means it will be the means longest step. It will take much more time. It is not the easier one to solve from the right side and to reach the left side. I hope you understood this question. So next question it will be done in our next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.